Welcome you all for auditing class. Auditing is checking, verifying the accounts. Once accounts is completed, auditor work is to verify the accounts. Once upon the time, one person is appointed for auditing works. In the year 1930s, auditing is introduced. Auditing can be done internally and externally. You will develop the knowledge and understand the process of assurance engagement and its application in the consent of the professional regularity framework. An audit is a systematic reviews and assessment of all information or document. Assurance is a professional service provided with the aim of improving the quality and the transparency of information. It also reduces the change of the problems that occurs due to the incorrect information. An audit is a type of assurance. They work to ensure that the company of an organization follows the guidelines, rules, policy, and both internal and external confidence of financial statement. An audit program consists of an appropriate audit procedure to achieve these audit objectives. An audit is an objective inspection and evaluation of the financial statement of an organization to make sure that the record are fair and accurate representation of the transaction they claim to represent. It can be done internally by employees of the organization, externally by the outside of the frame. Auditing and Assurance Standards. Overview of setting the Standards Board. Auditing and Assurance Standard Board in India. They gives the auditing plan. After that auditing program is conducted. After that audit evidence have to create and control the quality of audit works. We have to check out the audit working papers and we have to file the audit files. Auditing and Assurance Standards Board of India, Institute of Chartered Accounts of the India in the member of IFAC is committed to work towards the implementation guidelines issued by the IFAC. In Institute of Chartered Account of India constitute of auditing practice committees in 1982. Mainly audit is assuring the service, evaluation of the company's internal control, validate test of the ascertain the financial statements. Audit helps to achieving the company goals, minimize the cost of capital. Third one, prevent the fraud. Last one, maintain the effective system. Audit has two objectives. First one primary, second one secondary. Primary objective has internal check, arithmetic accuracy of the book of accounts, validity of transaction, proper distance between the capital and revenue, value of the asset and liabilities. In secondary objectives, we have to find out the error of the principal, error of omission, error of commission, compensating error, misappropriate of cash, misappropriation of the goods, manipulation of the accounts or falsification of accounts without any misappropriation. Last one, normally such frauds are committed by the top level of the executive of business, so the explanation is given to the auditor also remains the false. So an auditor should detect the such fraud using the skills and knowledge of fact. Audit and assurance will apply whenever the independent audit is carried out, that is an independent examination of the financial information on any entry, whether the profit oriented or not, and irrespective of the size or legal form. Examination is conducted with the overview of expression and opinion. Therefore, Committees of the auditor has been converted into the Auditing and Assurance Standard Board.